So there's this myth, this old wives' tale, that getting water on your leaves in the sunlight will burn the plant and kill it, which is a bunch of bull. And I'm going to prove it to you. And if you think about it, anytime there's a spring or summer shower upon a forest, it would kill the entire thing. So the myth just doesn't make any sense, does it? What would you do when farmers turn the sprinklers on their fields in the middle of the day in the sun? Everyone's seen that, driving on highways, the sprinklers going on the crops, and it doesn't kill the plants, it doesn't burn the leaves. So we'll come back tomorrow and the next day and I'll show you. This is day 1. Come back day 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see the plants are doing just fine. Well, here we are, day 2. Plant is still very much alive and looking very healthy. Give it some more of that liquid sunshine death. That just doesn't work other than making them healthy. Yes, the leaves are very wet, and we'll come back tomorrow. Nothing will be burned. The sunlight will not focus its rays through the drops of water into rays of death. It will merely evaporate into the atmosphere. Okay, and here we are. It's actually day 4. I skipped yesterday just to see how they're doing, and they're doing just fine. No burning, no scorching. So we'll keep going here day 4. Get them all nice and wet in the sunshine, middle of the day. See if we can kill these things by giving them water on their leaves. Scorch those leaves. All right, skipped yesterday, day 4, so this is day 5, and the plant is doing just fine. It's anything, it's sending out new shoots from the water and sunlight it's been getting. So as you can see, as long as you're watering in the sunlight and it's not boiling hot water coming out of your hose, because sometimes the hose sits in the sun, that could get hot, but as long as the water is mild to cool in temperature, it's not going to do any bit of harm in the sunlight. The sun's rays do not turn the water droplets into little magnifying glass of death rays. So go ahead and water it all you want without worrying.